Okay, girl, be honest. When you see a "What's in my bag" video pop up on your feed, you click it every single time. Don't even try to deny it. There is something genuinely satisfying about seeing how someone else organizes their things, because every single time, without fail, you either discover a product you've never heard of, find an organization idea you immediately want to steal, or realize there's something you've been forgetting to carry that would have made your life so much easier. So today, I'm getting you the full tour of what's inside my backpack for school. Everything I'm sharing is practical, organized, and actually useful. Nothing in here just for show, nothing that adds unnecessary weight or clutter. This is a real backpack for real school days. Let's unzip it and get into it. Section 1, the school essentials. The first thing in my backpack is my laptop, and right beside it, its protective sleeve. I cannot stress the sleeve enough. Laptops are expensive, and backpacks get tossed around more than we like to admit. On floors, on bus seats, under desks. A slim protective sleeve costs almost nothing compared to a cracked screen or a scratched keyboard. It takes up barely any extra space, and it protects something you genuinely cannot afford to replace constantly. Non-negotiable for me. Right next to my laptop is my notebook and my planner. And yes, I use both. They serve different purposes. My notebook is for class, actual note-taking, writing things down as the lesson happens. And my planner is for my life, assignments, deadlines, reminders, things I need to do, things I need to remember. The moment I stopped trying to keep everything in my head and started writing it down, my stress levels dropped significantly. Your brain is for thinking, not for storing information. Let the planner do that job. Next is my pencil case. Pens in multiple colors, pencils, a good eraser, highlighters for notes, and a ruler. Everything lives in one place, so when class starts, I am not that person emptying their entire bag looking for a pen while the teacher is already talking. Organized from the start, always. And my water bottle. This one is simple. Staying hydrated throughout the school day affects your focus, your energy, your mood, and honestly, how your skin looks by the end of the day. I bring a reusable bottle every single day without exception. It is one of the easiest habits you can build and one of the most impactful ones. Section 2, the emergency pouch. Okay, this is my favorite part of the whole backpack, and if you watched my last video, you already know why. My emergency pouch, a small zippered pouch that lives inside my backpack at all times and has genuinely saved me more times than I can count. Inside, I keep hand sanitizer because school surfaces are touched by hundreds of people, and I like being able to clean my hands anytime without hunting for a bathroom. Tissues for runny noses, allergies, or a friend having a rough day. Wet wipes for spills, sticky hands, or a quick freshen up between classes. Lip balm because dry lips are uncomfortable and distracting, and this costs almost nothing to fix. Hair ties, at least 3 because they disappear without explanation, and bobby pins for the flyaways and the style emergencies. Mini lotion because hand washing dries your skin out constantly, and soft moisturized hands take 10 seconds to maintain. A compact mirror for the quick checks before you walk into a room. Something in your teeth after lunch, your eyeliner shifted, your hair needs a 30-second assessment. Pads and panty liners because your period does not check your schedule before showing up. And a mini deodorant for after PE, warm days, or any moment where you just want to feel fresh and reset. All of it fits in one small pouch. All of it weighs almost nothing, and all of it has the ability to completely turn around a day that was heading in the wrong direction. Section 3, the snack. This one does not get enough credit. I always keep a healthy snack in my backpack. Usually a granola bar, a small pack of crackers, or a handful of nuts in a little bag. Nothing complicated, nothing that needs refrigeration, nothing that will crush or melt. Here is why this matters more than it sounds. Hunger affects everything. Your ability to focus during a lesson, your patience with people around you, your mood between classes, your energy going into an exam. And there will always be a day where you didn't have time for a proper breakfast, or lunch ran short, or you have practice after school and dinner feels very far away. Having something small in your bag means you are never at the mercy of a vending machine or just pushing through on empty. Replace it as soon as you eat it. Keep it stocked. Your future self will thank your current self regularly. Section 4, Tech Essentials. 3 things, all of them connected. All of them essential. portable charger, charging cable, earphones. Your phone is your alarm, your calculator, your way of reaching your parents, your everything. And a dead phone in the middle of a school day creates a specific kind of anxiety that is completely avoidable. A slim portable charger charged the night before and sitting in your bag means your phone never hits zero when you actually need it. The charging cable lives with the charger, always, not your only cable. A dedicated backup that lives in your bag and never gets borrowed, never gets left at home, never gets lost, just always there. And earphones for the commute, for studying during free periods, for listening to something that helps you focus, for the moments where you just need to be in your own world for a little while. A small case to keep them tangle-free is worth it. Spending 5 minutes untangling earphones before class is nobody's idea of a good morning. Section 5, Wallet and Cards. My wallet stays in an easy-to-reach outer pocket, not buried at the bottom of my bag, accessible, because there is always a moment in the day where you need it quickly, and digging through your entire backpack in a line is not the vibe. Inside, I keep my student ID, you need this more than you think, and the one day you forget it is always the day you need it most. My transport card, or whatever I use to get to and from school, and a small amount of emergency cash. The cash is important. Not a lot, just enough. For the days where your card doesn't work, the vending machine only takes cash, a friend needs bus fare, or something comes up that you genuinely didn't plan for. Keep it folded small in a dedicated spot so you always know where it is and you're not searching for it in public. Section 6, the reusable tote bag. Last thing, and it takes up almost no room. A reusable tote bag folded up and tucked into my backpack. This sounds like nothing until the day you need it. You have extra books from the library, your PE kit needs to come home. You make an unexpected stop on the way home and need to carry something. A friend hands you something to hold and you have nowhere to put it. A folded tote bag weighs almost nothing, flattens completely, and slides into any corner of your backpack without taking meaningful space. And when you need it, it becomes its own bag. It is one of those things that sounds unnecessary until the third time it saves you, and then it becomes permanent. And that is everything inside my soft girl school backpack. Laptop with its sleeve, notebook and planner, pencil case, water bottle, emergency pouch with all the essentials, a snack, portable charger, cable, and earphones, wallet with my ID, transport card, and emergency cash, and a folded reusable tote bag just in case. Everything has a purpose. Everything has a place. Nothing is just taking up space. And that is the biggest tip I can leave you with. Do not overpack. A backpack should make your school day easier, not leave your shoulders aching by second period. Be intentional about what goes in. If you haven't used something in 2 weeks, it does not need to be in there. Now I want to hear from you.